Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. Yes, does this sign look familiar? You probably haven't seen it in a little while because we haven't been filming at this location in a long time. We're currently on the beach right now on vacation, and we wanted to kind of give you a bonus in just because we're enjoying the beach, we want to give you a bonus, so check it out. All right, as you can see, we're not currently at our regular warehouse because we're at the old warehouse, which is where we the YouTube channel kind of really exploded, and this is the birthplace of the fire sales. Yes, this is where we started our very first fire sale, and so we wanted to kind of just take you back and share with you this space. This is 720 square feet. I'll talk a little bit about the beginnings of our business in a video later this week, so it'll be really fun and exciting for you to kind of hear about that. But if you kind of want to show them the space. So this is a two-car garage. It's kind of akin to a two-car garage that we built for the business, and so we had storage shelves and things like that, and primarily we used it because we were doing a lot of Amazon, so we were shipping a lot of stuff, but we needed a place to store some of the things that we did for Merch Fulfill and eBay and Poshmark and stuff, and so we have used a lot of the storage there, but the kids have kind of taken this over this space now. It is fully HVAC'd, so they have heat and cool in here, and so they use it a lot. This is our workout area, so occasionally we do bench press here and stuff like that. That's kind of the thing that Paul and I do the most of all the exercising we do, which is limited exercising. But the girls use the spin bike and the treadmill, and they lift weights a lot. I know Lexi is a huge workout girl, and then James comes over here occasionally too, but most of the time he's working full time. So here's kind of the whole area they've kind of taken over. So, and the storage shelves and stuff. So I use it for a little bit of overflow storage and things like that. But it's where I had my computer and all that fun stuff. So we're on the beach and we're enjoying a great family vacation because of this job. Because one day we decided, hey, we could buy something for less and sell it for more. Let's try that out on a regular basis. And it basically put pocket change in our pockets. We started out with $300 and then it grew from there. And so we're really excited to be able to beneficially give our son a job, give our kids a job. We've jumped to the realm of giving other people outside of our family work and just being an overall a blessing. You guys are a huge blessing to us. And because we're on the beach, we're going to give you a 20% off on our entire Hooked on Pickin store. Yes, even all the new stuff. 20% off by using the promo code BEACH, B-E-A-C-H. Just type that into the cart under the promo codes and coupon section, and you will get 20% off your entire order. So I'm super excited about that. Now, we won't be shipping any of your items until the beginning of next week, so just be aware of that when you order. But just because you guys are such a blessing, and this is kind of the birthplace of the fire sales, where I felt like we could really get to know you the most because it was a back and forth live stream. So we wanted to just be a big blessing, and so we thought we would film this from our old school place, which is kind of new but old all at the same time, because we were only in here, I think, like a year and a half. Before that. Oh yes, we also filmed Extreme Unboxing here, which was a really, really fun TV show, and a lot of you have been saying that it's been streaming, I think, on Hulu and some other platforms, and so if you haven't checked out Extreme Unboxing, we did do one season of Extreme Unboxing. Unfortunately, it came out when the world kind of went crazy. It was during the pandemic, and so I think that's why we didn't get picked up for a second season, but it was a really awesome experience. But this is the building that we actually filmed all of the Extreme Unboxing content, and so that's really fun as well. And so just remember, we're enjoying a nice relaxing time. You see us every single day, work hard, and so sometimes you just need to take a break, take a breather, and so we're going to give you guys an opportunity to just be able to buy some stuff at even more of a discount than our normal Hooked on Pickin discounts of 20% off. So don't forget to use that promo code BEACHES, BEACH, B-E-A-C-H. You'll get 20% off the entire store. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.